Hello and welcome to medicinal chemistry classes. In previous lecture we will discuss about sex hormone. In that we will discuss male sex hormone. So in today's lecture we will discuss remaining part of sex hormone, that is your female sex hormones. So first female sex hormones is your progesterone. Okay. The progesterone is a synthesized in both ovaries and placenta. Progesterone is secreted by the corpus luteum during the second half of menstruation cycle under the stimulus of luteinous hormone progesterone. Okay, the progesterone is a female sex hormone and having following important physiological functions. So what is the physiological function of progesterone? The first function is mediate in menstruation cycle. Next is it helps in development and maintenance of pregnancy. It is also responsible for the changes associated with menstrual cycle. The progesterone play an important role as differentiation factor for mammary gland. Next, the classification of progesterone. There are 4 classes of progesterone. First is your progesterone derivative, next synthetic derivatives, next is 4th generation progestin, and last class of progesterone is your 19 norethostorine androsten drug. Okay, and this is the example of progesterones. Okay, and this is some example of progesterone derivatives. And this is your synthetic derivative of progestins and norethesterones. Okay. Next, progesterone. The synthetic progesterone was first approved by the FDA in 1988 and it's developed by Schering Pharmaceuticals. It is a hormone that occurs in female are low progesterone. Low progesterone concentration can cause infertility and pregnancy loss. So this is the structure of your progesterone. The properties of progesterone is it is a crystalline colorless white or creamy white powder. The progesterone is practically insoluble in water and soluble in alcohol in acetone and dioxin. Okay, this progesterone is sparingly soluble in vegetable oil. Progesterone stored in a airtight container at temperature 25 degrees Celsius. Next is your clinical uses of progesterone. The progesterone and its derivative are used as hormonal contraceptives. They are used with estrogen for menopause HRT. They are used in menstrual disorder like dysmenorrhea. They are used in advanced endometrial cancer. Next, progesterone are widely advised by the doctor in the threat of miscarriage. The progesterone are prescribed for the prevention in recurrent miscarriage. Okay. Next is mechanism of action of progesterone. The progesterone bind with progesterone and estrogen receptor inside the target cell, included the female reproductive tract, the mammary gland and the pituitary gland, hypothalamus. The progesterone couple and decrease the rate of releasing of gonadotropin hormones from the hypothalamus and rounded the pre-ovulating luteinizing hormone rush. Okay, so this is your mechanism of action of progesterone. The progesterone play an important role in the development of female reproductive organ tissue, and it increase the endometrial accessibility for the implantation of embryo. Once a embryo is fixed, the progesterone act to maintain the pregnancy. The progesterone also activate the growth of alveolar tissue and relax smooth uterine muscles. The progesterone also has a little estrogenic as well as androgenic activity. Next drug is your estradiol. So estradiol is the principal female sex hormone. It is produced by the ovary. Estradiol play an important role in the development of female sex reproductive organ. It play an important role in the development of puberty, maintenance of menstrual cycle, and secondary female sexual characters. The estrogen metabolized in the liver. The estrogen sulfate and the estrogen glucuronide are formed, and these conjugates are excreted in the urine and bile. Next, the property of estradiol. Property, it is a white or creamy, odorless, hygroscopic or small crystal or crystalline powder. It is practically insoluble in alcohol, acetone or dioxin, and is solution of fixed alkali hydroxide, but it is sparingly soluble in vegetable oil. The estradiol stored in an airtight container at a temperature of 25 degrees Celsius, and it's protected from the light. Next, the mechanism of action of estradiol. It is a potent agonist of G protein coupled estrogen receptor. So, estradiol bound with the receptor inside the responsive target cell. Example, female organ, that is breast. It helps to regulate gene transcription, which start to prepare messenger RNA. The hormone bound estrogen receptor dimerize and translocates to the nucleus of the cell and bind to estrogen response element, that is your ERE, estrogen response element of genes. The binding of estrogen receptor element alters the transcription rate of the affected genes. The messenger RNA interact with the ribosome to desired protein and specification that express the effect of estradiol of reproductive target cell. Next is the clinical uses of estradiol. It is the most active of the natural or occurring estrogens, primary use in the maintenance of menopause. It is used as replacement therapy agents for the female hypogonadism. The estradiol is used in the hormonal replacement therapy in ovarian cancer. The estradiol is used for the development and maintenance of female reproductive organs. Next drug is your estrogen. So it is a principal female sex hormone which is produced in ovary. It plays significant role in the development of puberty, maintaining menstrual cycle and the development of secondary sex organs. The estrogen sulfate and the estrogen glucoroids conjugates are formed, and these conjugates are excreted in the urine and bile. This is your structure of estrogen. Next is mechanism of action of estrogen. It is also potent agonist of G protein coupled estrogen receptor, which shows similar mechanism as estradiol. It is bound with receptor inside the responsive target cell and help into regulate the protein synthesis via the gene transcription inside the target cell and express the estrogen effect. Next is your clinical uses of estrogen. Okay, it is used as menopausal hormone replacement therapy. It is also used in hormone replacement therapy in ovarian cancer. It can also be given orally for infertility caused by poor cervical penetration. It is primarily used in maintenance of menopause. It is used for the development and maintenance of female reproductive organs. Next drug is your diethyl stilbestrol. Okay, so diethyl stilbestrol exists in two geometrical isomer, cis and trans. Then trans is more potent of estrogenic activity. It is more potent estrogenic activity. Next is clinical uses of diethyl stilbestrol. So it is synthetic non-steroidal estrogen has been used in palliation of breast. It is used in the treatment of prostate cancer. It also used in malignant neoplasm of the breast of postmenopausal women. Mechanism of action of diethyl stilbestrol is it is a estrogenic receptor agonist. The drug bound to estrogenic receptor and form drug receptor complex which allow it to enter and bind directly to the specified nucleotide chromosomal DNA. The area of binding is known as hormone receptor elements, and this cause alteration in the protein synthesis which affect the transcriptional activity of certain genes which produce the estrogenic activity. Thank you.